all I have to do is unpop and remove the side cheek. And I don't know if you can see that there, but I've got a round hole ready to put the speaker in. Yes, look at that, the beauty of modern helmets. There, I've got a round hole pre-cut, ready to fit a speaker. So all that happens is the Velcro pad goes in there, the speaker goes in, and it's done. Well, it seems I spoke too soon. The speakers aren't entirely round. They do fit, but I've had to cut a little notch in my foam there. Hopefully you can see that, because I've had to move into the shade because it's so hot this lunchtime. So I've had to cut a little notch there for the oval of the circle. So you've got one speaker on a long wire, one speaker on a short wire. The speaker on the long wire will go on the right hand side of your helmet, because we want to fit the communicator to the left hand side of the helmet. That's the preferred way to put it, so you can still use your accelerator. You're not so much worried about your clutch, and that's where the short point is for your boom mic. So we're going to put the long speaker on the right hand side. So I'm all ready to fit the Velcro pad to hold the speaker in place. Pop it in the helmet and then pop in the speaker. Just line up the oval. There, look at that, as simple as that. It's fitted already. Fitted already. Amazing. Now it's just a case of replacing the cheek piece. If you don't have a helmet with pre-cut things, you can still just cut the foam. It's not difficult to do. I did have to cut it briefly there, so it's not a difficult thing to do. Now I can guide this wire to the other side. I've put the wire going up into the helmet, not coming down, because I just don't want to see any wires at all. There we go. I can undo that popper, let's do it back up, undo that popper, do it back up. I did wash my helmet the other day. I was amazed that they had these poppers, so I did, because Thailand's such a hot country, I did actually pop all the items out and wash them. So there we go, all ready for our second speaker to go in, which I do have to do a little bit of cutting again. Second Velcro pad and second speaker to go in. There we go. Amazingly easy, amazingly simple to install. That will now go to our Bluetooth device, and this is for our boom mic, which I'll take it I can stick around there, and that will angle anywhere I want it to on the helmet. Or I could change that for a soft mic just by changing the connector here. It pops out and you can change it to a different microphone. And actually we get a choice of mounting brackets. We get a sticky one or a mounted one with an Allen key, which I have here somewhere. Where is it? There we go. They even include the Allen key. So I'll be using this one today because Thailand's quite a hot country. I don't want sticky pads ungluing themselves if I can help it. So that's what I'll be going with. Yeah. Pull it back a little bit. Yeah, good to go. Now it's just a case of tightening up the Allen keys. Now we can mount the device. Clips in. To undo it, I'll just have to press that clip on the top. So we're all done, pretty much. Plug this one in. It has got a waterproof grommet in there to keep things waterproof. Now it's just a case of me replacing my cheek pieces on my helmet. Oh, and gluing in my boom mic, which I take it will go there lovely.